sure, baby, but you need to check.
What's
I
wrong?
think the house is locked up.
It's locked up.
I can't open the doors, the windows.
I can't even get out
Who
of
would do that, Dylan?
Huh?
Who would do something like that?
Well, we're already locked up.
Don't go on like that. Uh-oh. Go check the back door.
Yeah.
That one too? What about the windows?
Did you check the windows? Let me see. Okay. Now take this bunch. Wait! How about the garage?
Oh, Dylan. What is going on?
I don't know. The windows. No use.
The windows are locked too, Dylan.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
What about the door to the basement, baby?
We could get out there, but if the we could go through here, but here, let's put that back door.
Dylan, this is getting scary.
It opens,
Oh, wow, man.
but this one is
Easy.
locked. This one's locked.
Well, we got the screen.
Let's see if there's any knife certain thing. Come on. There's nothing. All there
How
is
did we get in this mess, Dylan?
I don't know.
I went out.
Here, let's try to break through it. Wait, now it's locked again.
Again? What is doing this, Dylan?
There's something. I think there's someone trying to trap us. There's got to be something in here. No. No. There's got to be something.
Dylan.
Wait, my iPad. We can use it to call someone.
Good idea. Who are you going to call? Ghostbusters?
Dad, he's not here. He's in Richmond.
That's not going to do us much good.
Yeah, but he can come home.
Call the police.
They're not going to do anything.
Yes, they will.
No service, anyways. Wait, my battery's dying.
Not now, Dylan.
Come on! See, it's dying.
He looks dead.
Okay, we need to find something. Let's check over here. Come on. Okay, there's got to be something.
Well, who is doing this, Dylan?
There's no one here and nothing here. The only ones that are here are me and you.
Somebody's really got it in for us, Dylan.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Who did you...
Do you see that? There's some light coming out of it.
Isn't even the cat's looking. Check the door, Dylan. Try the knob, honey. Maybe if we both push.
Let me go get something to open it.
Okay. Hurry. Dylan, it wants to open, but I can't do it.
But I found something.
What?
Screwdriver.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Well, I learned this in class.
Okay.
It's open. Open it.
I'm scared too. What's on the other side?
What is the...
I don't know. Do you want to go see?
It's a strobe light.
That's far out.
Why would that be in
I don't know. Maybe it's just there to show us to come out. Maybe it's a helpful spirit.
there? Here, let's just turn it off.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's use a screwdriver on the vegetables.
Okay. Good deal. That works out really.
Alright, let's do this one.
Dylan, as long as we can get out, babe. We'll worry about the others later.
Yeah,
Good deal.
like someone's not smart enough to know that screwdrivers open doors.
It's a good thing you learned that in school.
Let's try this other door, the front door. Alright, wait a second. We can't do this one.
No, you
There's
can't.
no hole. We can't do the back door either.
That's right, they have the locks.
Shoot.
Well, at least we have a way out.
We can unlock it, but there's probably something blocking it from the other side. Yeah, there is. Look, so we push.
Mm-hmm.
Goes back.
Oh my goodness. Dylan.
Alright. Let's try the windows.
Nemo.
Let's go! Alright. I'm gonna try to put the windows open. Come on. Wait, Mimo!
What, Dylan?
The windows already are open.
They forgot that, didn't they?
Look, we can't push. Look, you can barely see it's duct tape on the other side. Can you see it?
Yeah. I wonder if other people's doors locked.
No, because that kid up there, he's on a little bike. I have an idea. I have an idea.
What?
Follow me. Okay.
So what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Maybe if they can hear us. I doubt it. There's just got to be some kind of communication that we can have. There's a computer. Let's see if it's on. It doesn't even have an on button. It's not on. Let's get this.
There's my cell phone. Check it, Dylan. See if it has service.
There's 0 bars.
Oh my
And
goodness.
plus you're out of minutes.
I'm really out of luck.
There might be some communication. I know it. The front windows. People. Mima!
What?
Come on. The front windows. People drive by and we can see them. And they might be able to see us. But then again, the windows have bushes in them.
No, but this one.
There's no way we're going to get any of these open.
Maybe when your dad gets home, he can open them.
Yeah, but maybe he won't be able to get in.
But at least he'll know.
Yeah, but we could try the police. But then again,
How are you going to get in touch with them? We don't have any way.
I know.
Unless we send up smoke signals like the Indians.
Yeah, but how are we going to get outside? Plus.
That's true.
Let's check upstairs.
Oh, I'm not going upstairs.
Okay, well, you check down here. I'm
Because
gonna-
even if we get up there, there's no way out. Right?
Right.
Okay.
I bet if I go, I'm going to go downstairs. And I'll go out the back door. Because maybe the back door. But if it's not, if it is blocked, then I can kind of push it. Because the back door is kind of
Okay.
raggedy. Alright. You stay here and check. Wait for my signal. I'll be in the back door.
Oh my goodness, where is Dylan? Dylan! Where is Dylan? Oh, Dylan! Yes. Oh, Dylan.
But the bad thing is there's someone's downstairs. There's someone in the house.
Oh, please.
We can't.
What are we gonna do? Leave?
Hang on. Maybe if I can find. Wait, maybe. I have an idea. My iPad, if it does have signal and it's outside, sometimes the battery will rise up because of Wi-Fi. So maybe I can call the police. Alright, its battery's on. Come on. Someone's... Someone's trying to break in.
Yep.
Disguised.
Mm-hmm. We must have scared her when we went to the back door.
I think he's still out here. Wait, what was that?
What was what?
Mima, there's someone in that room. In that room over there.
I'm gonna leave.
You can't leave me alone.
You're not going back in there, are you?
You know what? I'm going back in. I'm seeing what's in there.
All right.
Hold on. Wait here.
Okay. Dylan.
There's no one in here. I thought there was definitely someone looking at me through the window.
Somebody's playing games. That's all they're doing, is they're playing games.
This is so impossible.
Mm.
What does this switch do? Oh,
You didn't know that?
yeah. I think I have an idea.
You're gonna do send an SOS?
No. I think I just have to listen to it.
Okay.
Go, 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 get outside now. Hurry, hurry. Go, go, go. Okay. I think, wait, either if we're inside or outside, he can still get us.
Yep.
He can't because back door,
So we're not safe anywhere.
no. Plus he might even have GPS's on us.
Why don't you turn your tables? Put that on, and go scare him or get him. And he won't come shoot.
No, he will, because he knows this is our costume. He sees me in it. Plus, he would know that it's smaller, which it's not likely for a kid to track you in your house. Well, until Dad gets home, we'll have to deal with it.
To be continued.